So one thing we see very frequently is someone gets in a car accident, for example, and shortly after the accident, they get contacted by the insurance carrier. And the insurance carrier is offering them some amount of money. It's maybe 5,000, 6,000, $7,000. And the person is thinking, well, I'm not feeling great, but I'm sure this is going to go away in a few weeks. And oftentimes they end up taking that amount of money. And what we unfortunately have to deal with weeks or months down the line is they will call us up and say, I accepted this money from the insurance company, hoping that these injuries would go away, but now I'm realizing that I need to go see an orthopedist, or I need physical therapy, or they did an MRI and they found a tear or a disc bulge. And all of a sudden I realized that the injuries were a lot more significant than I thought they were. And we unfortunately have to tell them that in exchange for that money, they likely signed a release and that they likely don't have any legal recourse at this point. So one of the things we always tell people is that you should never accept any money from an insurance company, particularly early on after an accident. Even if you're not going to hire a lawyer, even if you're not going to consult with an attorney, which you should, but if you're not going to do that, take time, weeks or months if needed. Make sure that your injuries are completely resolved, you have no residual symptoms whatsoever before you even consider accepting any sort of offer from the insurance company. And again, we would obviously recommend that before you take any money, you should speak with an attorney. A personal injury attorney will always speak with you for a free consultation, so it will cost you no money. Just make sure that you're fully analyzing what the value of your case might be before you ever accept any sort of settlement from an insurance company.